So we can use tiles to represent integers. And in most cases, these tiles, when we write them out on paper, would be shaded and unshaded squares. So this unshaded square with the plus sign or positive sign in the center would represent the integer positive 1 because we only have one of the tiles. This shaded tile with the negative sign in front would represent the number -1 because we have one of these tiles. Now, if we had exactly the same number of positive and negative tiles together, as you see here, we have something that's called a zero pair because they cancel each other out effectively to give us a value of 0. So this is called a zero pair. And if you want to think about it, it's like me giving you $1 and then right away taking that dollar away. What have I left you with? I left you with basically 0. So anytime you have an equal number of positive and negative, as you see in this case, each set of them would be called a zero pair. So let's look at an example of how we could possibly model the integer positive 3. The easiest way to model this integer will be just to take 3 of our positive tiles here and have nothing else with it. We have 1, 2, 3 of these positive tiles. We have now modeled the integer positive 3. But let's say, for instance, I wanted to be very creative and try to find a different way of modeling this number. So let's look for another model of positive 3. I'm going to try to do this time using zero pairs. So let's say I have a zero pair. I still haven't modeled positive 3. All I did was basically model 0. I'm going to add another zero pair just because I like to have another one. Still, I have only a zero pair here. I'm going to circle them. I have one zero pair here. I have one zero pair here. I still have not modeled 3 yet. So I think now I'll add in 3 of my positive tiles. I'm not going to add any more zero pairs. I think I had enough of them. So once you look and see all together what you have, I have 3 excess or extra positive tiles. So I know in this case I do have positive 3 successfully modeled. So if you look at it, I could have any number of zero pairs here. As long as I got 3 of those excess or extra positive tiles left over, then I know I've modeled positive 3.